Hello everyone. In this part, we are going to learn change the voice of past perfect tense, future perfect tense, modal auxiliary and modal perfect. That is modal auxiliary perfect. Now in first tense, that is past perfect, first sentence, he had completed his work. He is subject, had completed is verb, V3, completed is V3, and his work, object. Now his work is object. Here we will take first in passive voice object, that is his work. Now you can see in past perfect we only have had it work as helping verb, had, but in present perfect tense we had have and has, and we had to choose one from them, whether have or has. But here there is no choice, only had is there, so had will become had been. Okay, so his work had been completed by him. He is changed into him in passive voice. Okay, so his work, that is object, has been completed is work, by him is subject. Now let us see the structure of past perfect tense active voice, that is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Let us see the next structure, that is past perfect passive voice. Here object plus had been plus V3 plus subject. Okay, now let us see next tense, that is future perfect. The sentence is they will have won the match. Here subject is they, verb is will have won, and object is the match. So in passive voice, let us take first object, that is the match. The match, here they have used will have, so here we will make it will have been. The match will have been won. Here it is V3. In passive voice it will remain V3. Okay, so the match will have been won by them. They will be changed into them. Okay, you got this? Here have been, let us see the structure of future perfect tense active voice, that is subject plus will have or shall have plus V3 plus object. And next is future perfect passive voice structure is object plus will have been or shall have been plus V3 plus subject. Okay, so these are the tenses, perfect tenses, perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Here in active voice there is always V3, and in passive voice is always V3. It is here in past perfect it is had, here it will be changed into had been. In future perfect there will be will have will be will have been, shall have will be shall have been. Okay, now let us see next, that is modal auxiliary verb. First sentence, the sentence is we must follow the rules. Here must is modal auxiliary verb, we is subject, okay, and follow. Follow is V1. Okay, follow is V1. In modal auxiliary verb active voice, we use V1 after modal auxiliary verb. Okay, so we must follow the rules. So it will be changed into passive voice like this. So first we will take the object. What is the object? The rules. So first the rules. Now rules, it doesn't matter whether it is plural or singular, we do not change anything. Only what we supposed to change is must will be changed into must be. Okay, so must be followed, we always use V3, that is follow, followed, followed. So V3 will be the rules must be followed by us. V is changed into us. Now let us see the structure of modal auxiliary active voice, that is subject plus modal auxiliary verb plus V1 plus object. And modal auxiliary passive voice structure is object plus modal auxiliary verb plus B plus V3 plus subject. Okay, now let us see last, that is modal auxiliary perfect. See the sentence, you should have studied the lesson. Here you is subject, should have studied is verb, here it is V3, and the lesson is object. So here in passive voice we will take first the lesson, that is object. The lesson is singular, it doesn't matter it is singular or plural, we will take here should have been studied. Should have, that is modal perfect, and it will be changed into should have been. Okay, the lesson should have been studied. Studied is V3 by you. You will remain you in passive voice. Okay, so let us see the structure of modal perfect active voice. Subject, modal plus have plus V3 plus object, and modal perfect passive voice structure is object plus modal plus have been plus V3 plus subject. Okay, so you got this. It is very simple. I think it is being helpful to you. Thank you.